Yes, family. We here in Austin, Texas, take a quick trip and see what's going on down here. Try come enjoy some good food. And you know, every time we hit a different state, we have to try hit up the yard of them. You know what I mean? So today we here at Tony's Jamaican Food. Gonna sample some food here and see what's going on and big them up same way. So we'll see what I got. Hello. Alright, so we're here with the big man Tony here, you know, at his restaurant.
Yes.
Nice Jamaican restaurant, Austin, Texas. What's the address, Tony?
2700 W Pecan St.
Okay.
Pflugerville.
Straight. So, you know, we want to try some man food and see what I go on and big him up same way. You know, how long have you been doing this, Tony?
Well, we have a food trailer downtown, you know, and we've been have that for 8 years.
Okay.
We just opened this mode, you know, a year ago.
Okay.
You know, come meet the people and, you know, because we have a lot of customers up this side and we want everybody to come to comfortable.
Straight.
Because when the cold time comes, people want a warm place, and when the warm time comes, we want people keep cool. You know, so we just bring the real deal come to people there. You know, people support you, you have to make them comfortable.
Of course,
That's
of
life,
course.
And then with the food and everything, people love it, people enjoy it. Them know when them come, them get the real deal.
Okay. Straight,
so
just like that.
We just lay on the roof, you know, and make people happy.
Just like that. I love that. So you know we are yard here already. We always show each other love whenever we come through. You know what I mean? They're in a new state here and we want to show the Jamaican them love. So definitely come check them out when they come in Austin, Texas. So we'll go grab some food and now and see what they're.
Yeah man, big up yourself man.
Big up. Alright, so I'm about to order some food from Tony's here. You see their menu? Okay. Alright, can I do a order curry chicken with some rice and peas?
Yeah, it comes with
rice and peas and veg and all that. Alright. And we do one order jerk chicken as well. You can do like a brown stew gravy on the jerk chicken. Like a brown stew gravy on the rice. Yeah, if you can do that, that would be nice, man. And then two of your beef patties. And do a side order rice and peas. And then can I do a side order rice and peas with some brown stew gravy on that as well, please? And then what? Which one? And then one of your Jamaican soda. Just like that. Yeah, the soda, you want this one? No. So we just do the soda. Alright, and that's it. Alright. Tony's sweetie. Number one.